Okay, so this is a really cool and new feature in Google Flow. You can basically remove an object from a video. So let me show you how you can actually use it, and perhaps a few things that I think you need to know when you're using this object removal feature. Anyway, you can open Google Flow, and after that you can open the project that contains a video that you want to modify. Now I think it is worth mentioning that right now this object removal feature will only work for a video that you generated directly on this platform. So you cannot just upload a video from your computer and then use Google Flow to remove an object from the video. It is not available, it is not possible yet, but I'm hoping we will have that in the future. Anyway, let's continue. So on the video that you want to modify, you can click this pencil icon right here, the edit button basically. And after that, you can select remove. So that menu is available right here. And after that, you can select the area that contains the object that you want to remove from the whole scene or from the whole video. So let me just select this area because I want to remove this red blazer basically. So remove the red blazer. So just send a message and just wait for about maybe 2 minutes for the VEO model to remove that object from your video. And I guess I'll just be back in just a second. Okay, so we got this video and I think it has done quite a great job at removing that particular object, which is the red blazer, from the video. So on top of the selecting the object, it is recommended to specify the object in your prompting or in your description, so AI will know exactly the object that you want to remove from the video. So yeah, I guess that's basically how you can remove any object from a video using Google Flow. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.